Let us now see another TET question. They have given a number. We need to find out from the given options which number exactly divides that number. Let us see if option A, that is 13, exactly divides the given number. When do we say that a number is exactly divisible by 13? For suppose you have a number x. First you need to find out the number of thousands in the number. Next you need to find out remainder when that number is divided by 1000. Now subtract these two numbers. For suppose you get a value y. Check if this y is divisible by 13. If this is divisible by 13, then we say that x is divisible by 13. This is one method. The other method is, for suppose you have a number x. Take out the units digit in this number and multiply it with 4. Add it to the remaining number. This process you repeat until you get 2-digit number. Now if this 2-digit number is divisible by 13, then you say that x is divisible by 13. The first method you can only apply if number of digits is at least 6. The second method can be applied to any number, but if the number is very large, this will take lot of time. The number given in the question has only 5 digits. So let us apply second method and see if that number is divisible by 13 or not. The number they have given is 58224. What is the digit in units place? 4. Multiply it with 4, you will get 16. Add it to the remaining number. You will get 5838. What is the digit in units place in the remaining number? 8. Multiply it with 4, you will get 32. Add it to the remaining number. You will get 615. Take out the digit in the units place. Multiply it with 4. Add it to the remaining number. You will get 81. 81 modulo 13 is 3, which is not 0. That means 81 is not divisible by 13. So the given number is not divisible by 13. Now let us see if the given number is divisible by 3 or not. When do we say that a number x is divisible by 3? Take out all the digits that is present in the number. Find out sum of all the digits. If this sum is divisible by 3, then we say that x is divisible by 3. What is the sum of all the digits in the given number? 5 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4, which is 21. 21 is divisible by 3, which means the given number is divisible by 3. Now let us see if the given number is divisible by 11 or not. When do we say that a number x is divisible by 11? First take out all the digits that are present in the odd places and find out its sum. Next, take out all the digits which are there in even places and find out its sum. Now subtract these two sums. For suppose you get a value y. Check if this value is 0 or divisible by 11. If any one is correct, then the given number is divisible by 11. Let us now see if the number given in the problem is divisible by 11 or not. What are the digits present in odd places? 5, 5, 2, 4. 5 plus 2 plus 4 is 11. Digits in even places are 8 and 2, which is 10. And if you subtract 11 minus 10, you will get 1, which is not 0 and not divisible by 11. So this number is also not divisible by 11. Option C is wrong. Let us check if the given number is divisible by 9 or not. The same principle that we have applied for 3 also goes with 9. What is the sum of all the digits in the number? 21. 21 modulo 9 is not 0. So the given number is not divisible by 9 as well. So the right answer is 3.